In this video, you'll learn about the double bass, sometimes called a contrabass or upright bass, including the double bass range and timbre. I'm also going to show you exactly what a C extension is. Guitarists and bassists may finally see something familiar here. The tuning of the double bass is the same as the bass guitar or first four strings of the electric guitar. The only member of the string family to be tuned in fourths rather than fifths. So it goes E0, A0, D1, G1. Many modern orchestral double basses have what's called a C extension. A C extension is basically an extended fingerboard that extends above the peg box for just the low E string. They usually have a series of stops that allow the string to be locked chromatically on any note between C0 and E0. The extension allows the range of the double bass to be extended down to C0, with its highest practical note being G2. Without the extension, the lowest note is E0, so bear in mind that if you'll be writing for live instruments, extensions are not always available, or at the very least, you'll need to give notice and specify that you'll be needing extensions. Double bass parts are written in the bass clef, and sometimes the tenor clef if the part's written in the higher range. It has a heavier sound than the cello, with a full, deep, dark, penetrating timbre. Unlike the other instruments in the string family, the contrabass isn't often used as a solo part, although there are some notable examples. Despite its size, it's very, very nimble, but its lower range means fast passages can sound muddy or dark and lack clarity. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the big red subscribe button for more music composition, production, and industry tips. If you want to learn more about the string section, sign up to my free email video course by following the link in the description. And finally, let me know what else you'd like to learn about by leaving me a comment.